Hello you guys. As you see, I switched it up from the last video because last time I wanted to sport the glasses, but as you see, I can't do that because I can barely see. So this is the vibe. All right. Okay, so I'm sure you guys may have seen the last video, intro to sublimation. Well, if you didn't see it, you need to cut this video off and go back to that one. It tells you what the heck sublimation is. If you already know what sublimation is and you're just trying to see what stuff you need to get started on your sublimation process, this is the video for you. Okay. You actually don't need that much to get started with sublimation. You need probably about 4 or 5 items, and I'm going to tell you what all of those items are. All right. Item number 1, you need a printer. Okay. You need a sublimation printer, or if you don't have a specific sublimation printer, you need a printer that can convert, as in you can use sublimation ink in that printer. Okay, you cannot use any printer. All right, so we can't do that. We have to use a printer that specifically can use the refillable cartridges. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example of a sublimation printer, which is the Epson 7710. All right, let's check that out. Okay, so this is the Epson 7710. And this is a convertible sublimation printer. So I'm going to show you the cartridges that you have to use and the ink that you have to use to be able to use this printer. Okay, so you first need a printer. You need a convertible printer, or you need an actual sublimation printer. Okay, so that was the printer. These are the ink cartridges. It's refillable. Okay, you get them in a pack of 4 for the black ink, the yellow, blue, and the pink, magenta, pink. But anyway, so they have these it looks like a chip that is readable inside of the Epson 7710, 7720, whatever. So like I said, it is very important that you get a convertible printer. All right, one that can be converted. Any printer cannot be turned into a sublimation printer, only specific ones. So I will do a video soon on the different printers that can be converted. All right, so a printer, and then you need these little cartridges right here if you're going to convert it. You also need sublimation ink to be able to fill up those refillable cartridges if you are converting it. So this is from InkX Pro, and it comes in these little bottles, and a lot of times it comes with the ink in a pack of 4, and then you can get like a combo pack that will have the cartridges, and then it will have these little syringe things that you can put the ink into the cartridge. Okay, so you need ink. They also have Cosmo ink. You guys let me know if you want me to do a review on the Cosmo ink. I have the whole set here, so let me know if you want me to do a review on that. And the next thing you need is you need heat resistant tape. Okay, as you see here, you can get this off Amazon. I'll try to leave a link for this in the description. So this heat resistant tape is actually used when you are taping down your image to your shirt. They have these in like a pack of 3 on Amazon. The next very important thing you need is you need a polyester t-shirt. Now this t-shirt is Team 365. That's the brand. And as you see, this is polyester. Now, when you're sublimating, 100% polyester is the best way to get like really, really colored results from the ink. However, anything from 100% down to like 60-40, 50-50 will work. It might not be as vibrant as 100%, but it will work. Next thing you need is sublimation paper. Extremely important. You have to be able to print on it because it's a printer and it has to have something to transfer onto. So the paper is extremely important. A-Sub is a good brand to use. You get like 100 and something sheets in one box. It comes in like a little box. It comes in a box like this. I usually have 8.5 by 11, but I had a big order and I used it all, so I got to re-up on that. But it's 110 sheets, which will last you a while. 110 sheets you might need because you might have to, you know, redo a couple designs when you're new, okay? Another very important thing you need. This is butcher paper, okay? A lot of the times butcher paper comes in like a roll. In the roll, I mean, you'll have butcher paper for days. You can get that on Amazon. I'll also put the link for that down below. But the butcher paper is meant to put either into the shirt or on top of the image so that the dye doesn't bleed through, okay? So the butcher paper is really important for that purpose. Let's run that down again. You need a printer. You need ink cartridges if you're converting. You need sublimation ink. You need the syringes to be able to put the sublimation ink into the empty cartridge. You need paper. You need a shirt. You need heat resistant tape, and you need butcher paper. Those are very, very important, okay? So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure you share it with a friend. Also, www.minitingzcustoms.com has launched. I have released Marcella's Way merch. Guys, don't miss out on that. I have Marcella's Way t-shirts and Marcella's Way hoodies. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Do not forget, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Make sure you are liking this video. Make sure you liking tells YouTube that you like what you see, okay? And as usual, I have a my way so I can inspire you to have a your way.